Jaw exercise number 3, chewing. This is the best exercise I know to relax and exercise the jaw muscles. It is so simple, and you can do it anywhere you are. Simply close your mouth and act like you're chewing a gum. Chew like this for a minute or so at a time. To do the exercise right, make sure your molars on both sides move apart and then touch lightly again. Also notice that your lips are supposed to be closed the whole time. This exercise is pretty easy on your jaw because you're not actually chewing anything, but you might still feel a little bit sore in the beginning. Just take it easy, maybe chew only for a few seconds in the beginning, and then increase time of the exercise. You can make an sound as you chew. This will open the throat better. Making a sound is not necessary. It will just give the exercise an extra boost.